Are you searching for the ultimate cookware set for your family? In today's busy kitchens, cookware is your meal production infrastructure. Choosing the right set can simplify cooking and enhance your meals. Let's dive into what makes an all-in-one cookware set ideal for families in 2026. Firstly, consider high-volume diversity. Your set must include an 8-quart stockpot and a 12-inch frying pan for efficiency. Next, thermal uniformity is crucial. A well-designed set should prevent hot spots, providing even heating for dishes like chili and stir-fries. Cleanup is another factor. Look for high-density non-stick materials or dishwasher-safe options, allowing a quick reset between meals. Additionally, structural resilience is vital. Ensure your cookware can withstand rapid temperature changes without warping. Versatility is the last pillar. Your set should be induction-ready and oven-safe, giving you one-pan cooking flexibility. Now, let's look at top picks. The Cuisinart Multiclad Pro is excellent for overall performance and durability. Tefal Ultimate offers easy cleanup and affordability. Greenpan Valencia is perfect for health-conscious families. Lastly, the Amazon Basics set is ideal for beginners on a budget. Investing in the best all-in-one cookware set enhances your cooking experience, allowing you to whip up delightful meals with ease. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? Check out these sets and elevate your cooking today.